Welcome back, guys. We're gonna start an Italian Empire campaign, and I've decided to do a challenge run rather than doing the usual torpedo death. I'm gonna use battleships, and the challenge is gonna be twofold. One is I'm only allowed task forces of one ship. So I'm going to need to build one really good ship, so it'll give me something to aim for with the research and everything. And the other challenge is I'm going to have to get into a war as often as I can. So I'm not allowed to just stay pacifist and avoid wars. So it means that the early game is going to be incredibly tough, while I'm low on technology. Now, usually I go iron plate to save the weight, but if you go on compound, although it puts the weight up, it reduces the cost, and it changes your armour quality to plus 35 from minus 25, so there's a 60% swing. So although it costs a little bit of weight, so 9% weight, you've got a 60% armour quality swing, so I think I'm going to go that route this time round. It's unfortunate. Okay, so it looks like that's where we need to be, so I'll just need to reduce this slightly. I wish you could just type this in. I'll do. Hopefully this rear tower, yeah it does, thank God. Okay, so we're only at 46% engine efficiency, but that should be plenty. "9" should be plenty. So because my flash fire is so high, I'm going to have to put light shells and reduced shells. So it's quite likely that I'm going to run out of ammo, but at least it means I'm not going to go up in flames quite as often. Right then, I think rather than going for reloading, I'm going to go for armor. So I feel like I'm going to need it. So we've got some torpedo boat protection there. Okay, we've got quite a bit of armour, weight left over for armour. Right, I feel like that's about as good as we're going to get it. Obviously I'm slow, but because I'm going to be massively outnumbered, I don't think speed is going to be my issue. I think armour is. Might put a bit more on the top of the turret. Yeah, I reckon that'll do. Right, that is what we're going for, I reckon. See how we get on. So I haven't actually played as the Italians in the 1.06 beta or live, because I was just playing as the Austro-Hungarians while I was playtesting. So I don't actually know who I should be picking a fight with. So let's just see how we get on against the Austro-Hungarians first. See if the tension increases at all. So I can't remember if I've mentioned it in the previous video, because I haven't uploaded all the videos I've recorded, so I might end up repeating myself. But basically, there's a bug where the power projection does not get updated unless you open up the ship designer. So, because we're now on seat control rather than in being, the power projection should be doubled, but it doesn't get doubled. It's a bug. It doesn't get doubled until you do that. So now you can see I'm up to 6.4. So yeah, if you're ever moving your ships out from in being into seat control, make sure you just open the ship designer and go back again to update the power projection. Seem to be missing a ship. There he is. So I'm going to have to do it again now for this ship. Oh, unfortunately, we're not getting anything against the Austro-Hungarians in the Eastern Mediterranean, which is just ridiculous. How are you meant to fight them if you can't build tension up against them? Right then, what are we on? 7.1. Interesting, we're on 7.1 again. So maybe this bug doesn't happen all the time. That's interesting. Right, let's see how we get on in Western Mediterranean. No tension increases again. Skip one more turn just to double check. It's actually gone up. What on earth is going on? Right. No tension increases again. I'm obviously going to need a power projection ship, which I hadn't anticipated. I thought battleships, 10 battleships alone would have been enough. Oh, here we go, North Atlantic, we're getting some action. So, it looks like we'll be fighting the French again. Let's just check the other sea zones. So it's against the French again. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to pick a fight with the British quite yet. Going to need a bigger fleet. So yeah, it looks like I'm stuck fighting the French again. What have we got? 1.6. And 90 million. So 15. So once I get in a battle, or I suppose I could do it now, I'll separate these ships up. Unfortunately, I've got to do them one at a time because you don't seem to be able to click on the main ships underneath when you're moving one out. Not creating tension now. Right, I might have to do this in the Western Mediterranean because we're getting positive. Right, let's do it in the Western Mediterranean. then hopefully when these ships get built, they'll be able to contribute to the power projection. Because without them, I don't think I'm going to have enough power projection to trigger any tension in the Western Med. Ships are taking a while to build, got 2 more months and then they're done. So hopefully this will be enough. So fingers crossed that will be enough. Doesn't look like it's going to be. Oh dear, that's a nightmare. Right. Right. What do I do now? Shall I try it in the North Atlantic? God, it's going to be annoying moving all these ships. I suppose I could build a power projection ship. Right, let's see how many I need. I might still be able to do this. Right, let's try that. I've got a bit more cash again. Not anymore. Well, this is a pain in the arse. I'm on bloody positive tensions with everybody. Right. I might need to take a hit to the tech budget so I can build some more ships. I've got 31 million. I have got a couple of ships mothballed. 3. So I can get all them out. Get to La Spezia. We finally got some action. -2. That's going to take ages. Absolutely ages. Right. From 25 to -2. That is ridiculous. It's going to take 50 months and another 12. So it's going to take 6 years. Or 5 years. Right. Oh god, what a nightmare. Right, I think what I'll do is I'll cut the recording here and then carry on when I've finally got a war going. Because, yeah, you don't want to watch 6 years of me pressing next turn. So yeah, I'll end the recording here, and then I'll see you in the next episode where we'll be starting a war. So take care, guys. See you soon.